Hey guys, what is up? I hope you guys are doing really well. Before starting today's topic, I just want to tell you if you haven't watched our last three videos that I have posted, it is full of value. Okay, first go and watch all those videos. You will get enough amount of value to start and grow your YouTube channel. Like yesterday, I posted about how to explode your YouTube channel with the with the help of a YouTube ads. So you can go and implement that strategy. If you are new to the YouTube channel, like then also this strategy works fine. Okay, and like in today's topic, we are going to talk about how to increase more views and subscribers to your channel with the plugin called Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy is really good plugin. I am already a pro member of Tubebuddy and using it. It is super plugin. So like let's jump over to my like screen and start the video of today. So guys, let's start. Like the step one, like what you guys need to do, you need to go to the tubebuddy.com. I have just like put down my link in the description. Just go and click that link, and this plugin is absolutely free. This plugin is absolutely free. You can start with a free, and you can see whether it is working fine for you or not. But like before a few days only, I upgraded to pro, and like right now I can see it has some of the amazing features like to generate a lot of tags. Okay, and the descriptions, title, everything is there, and it actually helps you to like compare your videos with the competitors, whether your keywords are going to rank or not. So this is you can go with like this is my link here. You can go with this link. This is absolutely free. You can go and do that. Tubebuddy.com/Vish Agarwal. You can go to this link and just install the YouTube like Chrome extension plugin. Tubebuddy Chrome extension plugin here. Okay. Like once you are installed, you will see this kind of icon here. Okay, you will see this kind of icon here. So I will just tell you what are the great features in this plugin and how you can increase your views and subscriber with the help of a Tubebuddy plugin. Let's suppose I will just go to my channel. Okay, and once I am on my channel, I will just like click it here. Okay, and now you can see here is a dashboard of like Chrome extension plugin here. Just click on a keyword explorer. Okay, like this is a feature number one. The keywords are really important before posting any kind of videos on a YouTube, because right now the competition is increasing day by day, and it is really hard to rank on a YouTube or Google. Okay, both are the world's biggest search engines. So like before like getting into any topic, you need to like research complete upon your keywords, then prepare the video, then post it. So I will just type, let's suppose I will go with any uh, create YouTube account. This is I will explore. Now we can see the overall score is poor. Why it is telling poor? It is really hard to rank. That's why it is telling poor. If you are using the title as a like create YouTube account, it will be hard, and you need to compete with a lot of competitors to rank this video. If you are like on a page first, if there are like 10 to 15 to 20 videos, you need to compete with them to come on the page one. And the like one more thing, why the rankings are important. Rankings are so much important. If you are not getting viewed by the viewers, you are not going to like build your authority, and you are not going to build a subscriber base. So according to that, you need to choose wisely what keywords I am going to use in my title and what keywords I'm going to use in my descriptions, so that you can get ultra targeted like traffic and very easy like keywords to rank on a YouTube. Okay, so here now you can see it is showing poor. It is showing poor because it is hard to rank. Even you can see the search volume is really great. The search volume is 4,28,000 per month. Okay, 4,28,000 per month. But it will be hard for you to rank on this. So we will go with some of the alternative where we can see whether we can rank or not. We can see this one. This is also poor. We cannot rank this keyword. Let's find some other keywords. Uh, this is also poor. Search volumes are really good of all these, but these are highly competitive. So it will be hard for you to get like views and subscribers. So I will just see whether we can find anything else. This is quite good. See, now you can see you can create the video around this keyword. YouTube channel tutorial Hindi. This is showing it is really good. The score is like from out of 100, it is showing a 69 score. It means you can easily rank this kind of keyword. Here you can see the competition weight is good. It is pretty much good. You can rank this keyword. So that's how you can use the keyword like keyword explorer of a TubeBuddy. But if you are into the free plan, they are only going to show you three keywords, and downside they are going to tell you upgrade the plan. So I am already a pro member, that's why it is showing me a complete details of the keywords that I can choose. Okay, and the second feature we will move around, like we can go into the results also. Here you can see after the summary you can see the results that like which kind of videos are ranking on this term. Okay, you can see this term on this also, and on the trending there will be, yeah, there will be a no trending. So like these both tools, like these both two features are really good, summary and results, where you can compare whether you are going to get ranked or not. Now we will go to the tags thing, that how you can get a help of a TubeBuddy to get a correct tags to your channels which get rankings and views. We'll go to the YouTube Studio Beta. Now we'll go to the videos. I will just click on this one. Okay, I will see the suggested tags. Once I click the suggested tags, now I can see whenever you are uploading any kind of the like video to your channel, the TubeBuddy will help you to get a more right tags for your video, and the relevant tags. Actually, relevant tags matters a lot while getting rankings on a YouTube. Now here you can find a lot of tags. What kind of tags you can use in your video? If I use how to grow on YouTube, I will click this. I will add this. Okay, and here you can find the tags. Here are all the tags that I have added yesterday. So like you get a limitations of a 500 words here, so that you can add, and you can get the help of a TubeBuddy. Right now you can see the extension is appearing here. It will help you with all the tags and everything. Okay, and here the best practices also you get a 10 10 best practice from a TubeBuddy, whether like you need to complete. This is like you can call it as a checklist, like checklist, from a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You need to do these kind of steps to get a better and a better performing videos on your YouTube. Okay, so you can use like you need to take the suggestions from the TubeBuddy and do whatever TubeBuddy says. Like the TubeBuddy is saying go and pin the comment, I will just go to the comments and pin the comment. I will just do with this, open link in a new tab. No. Okay, I will just copy this. I will come here and comment. This is my own comment and I'm going to pin this. Pin. It's done, and I will just recheck. Right now it is showing 5 of 10 best practices completed. Now I will recheck. Now it is showing that we have done one more best practice for a YouTube channel. So these are the 10 options that like TubeBuddy gives you. Right now it is telling your title should be title between 20 to 70 characters. So what I will do, I will just less it down like something. So like we can reach to the not seen before is fine. Let's go to YouTube channel. Cancel subscriber 2019 $5 YouTube ad. I will just remove this. Okay, explore the YouTube channel with the now we are into the 70. Okay, I will just save it and recheck it whether they have added this like particular like strategy into their recheck list. I'll just come here and I will recheck all. See, now I have done a seventh thing. So it will, you don't have to worry about anything. This plugin will help you with everything, whatever you do. Okay. And it will also help you with the best practices you need to adopt on the YouTube so that you can get a viewers and subscribers fast to your channel. Okay. And you can also get an end screen thing. They gives you a free templates. They gives you a free lower thirds that you can use as a graphic in your video. You can use like let me go to the like tubebuddy.com. Not tuber tools, tubebuddy. This is my account. And this plugin is really free to get started. I actually paid around like $39 for a lifetime. Okay, and but why I paid, because I like really helpful and I am getting a lot of attraction with this help of plugin. Now you can see I will just go to the manage. See, like I have paid $39 for that, but it is like completely valuable, and I don't think like in like $39 you can get this like this much amount of value, because I am that person who actually believes in value. Those things who provides a value, I just spend the money on them. Here you can come on the integrations. Here you can also attach all your social media profile links with that. So once if you are posting anything on the YouTube, it will be automatically posted on the social media also. Okay, so like my suggestion to you is to go and download as a free. You can find the link in the description. Just go and click that link and download the like TubeBuddy plugin. And also like don't forget to watch my last two videos, because it is full of value, and I have put my 100% energy into it to give you a lot of valuable content. So guys, I will just like before going, I just want to say you please go and hit the subscribe button, because if you are not subscribing, you are losing a lot of valuable content that can actually help you to grow your business. So I would request with you, just go and hit the subscribe button, also like, and also just put down your thoughts and comments so I can just see and reply to you if you are facing any issues. Okay guys, so see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.